Hey guys, this is Melissa, Diamond Nana. I always forget to say this, so I just wanted to say it before I start this video. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. Hey guys, this is Melissa, Diamond Nana. Got an unbagging here. This come from, this is a weaning from the Break the Silence 2023 with the fantabulous Miss Kakisha Warren. And I got some doll scissors. One of these days I'm going to be able to afford to buy me some sharp scissors. It ain't really that I can't. Oh, I cut the straw in half. Whoopsie. I should have cut on the other side, but it's okay. It's just a little bit shorter. And I'm sure I have other straws. Leave it to Beaver. I can't believe I done that. Yes, I can believe I done it. I don't know what that is. Isn't that gorgeous? Break. What is inside? It keeps rattling around. Oh. Care instructions. Of course, I can't see. Cup care instructions. Hand wash only, not dishwasher safe, not microwave safe. Do not soak. Handmade with love, so please handle with care. Thank you. No, thank you, Kakisha. Break the Silence. Butterfly Kisses Customs LLC 2023. I believe this is a 20 ounce. Y'all check her out. There's your information. Look. There's your well. Thank you. I guess she don't care, maybe. I hope not, because it's on there anyway. But thank you, Kakisha. I love it. And other than my ignorance for cutting the straw, it come perfect. Y'all, I'm going to tell you something. This package traveled about 1,000 miles before it got to me. It kept going from Statesboro, Georgia, to Montgomery, to Birmingham, back to Canton, Georgia, back to Statesboro, Georgia, back to Canton, Georgia, back to Birmingham, back to it took it 19 days. From the time she mailed it, it took 19 days for this thing and sent me tracking. It took 19 days for this package to get to me. I done filed a claim with the post office and said, look, I know she sent it. I got a tracking number. I want it. But anyway, that's all I got for you today in this video, guys. I will link Kakisha down in the description, her Etsy store down in the description box. Y'all go check her out. I think she's having a oopsie sale. So y'all go check her out. Bye, guys. See you in my next one.